Hey everyone, it's me, Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do my Boxyluxe unboxing. But before I get into that, I'm going to do the BoxyCharm spiel. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service that costs you $25 a month if you're in the US. It costs $40, around $40 to $45 if you're in Canada, because of shipping and the exchange rate. That's what I'm trying to say. But for the $25 base box, you're guaranteed at least $125 worth of product. Then you can go to BoxyCharm Premium, which is $35 a month. I believe it's about $50 in Canada. And you're guaranteed at least $175 worth of product in that. Now, if you are a base box member only, you can upgrade every 3 months to a BoxyCharm Luxe, which is $49 in the US and it's about $85 in Canada. However, I have a little rant here. Yesterday, my friend messaged me on Facebook and said she had to pay duties on her box. She got a card in the mail to go pick up her box at Shoppers Drug Mart and she had to pay $20 in duties. So, and the lady at the post office at Shoppers Drug Mart told her that there was a bunch of boxes down there that people had to pay duties on. So just on a whim, I didn't get a card, but on a whim I went down to Shoppers Drug Mart and my box was actually just dropped off like a few minutes before I went in. And sure enough, I had to pay $20 in duties. That's never happened to me before. But I have the receipt. I contacted BoxyCharm. Apparently Joe released a statement. He is aware of it and they're trying to investigate it so that it won't happen again. I think it has something to do with the shipping company. That aside, I love BoxyCharm, but I'm already paying extra money because I am a Canadian. So to pay an extra $20 on top of that, that's putting my Boxyluxe at about $100. And that's just not cool. Anyway, let's get into the box. I already opened this yesterday and some of the products, actually any product that I could use is on my face today. And I'm going to try to insert little demos of me using those products, but if I can't do it, I apologize for it. So I'm just going to go in order of the card. I actually got a card. It's actually just like glossy paper. Are you okay, Cassie? I'm sorry, Cassie was coughing out there. And it is BoxyCharm Oasis. So the first product that I got in my box is from Kylie Skin, and this is the foaming face wash. This retails for $24. My box was kind of mangled. I did use this product. It seems okay. I only used it once, so I mean I can't really attest to how well it is, but it seemed okay. I used 2 pumps. I could probably get away with 1 pump. There's like little bubbles coming up in it. I hope that's an ingredient. Can you guys see that? Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And now I can get rid of that. Alright, the next product that I have in here is from Curely's Beauty. And I am wearing this today. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream. My face did look a little shiny until I powdered it down, but I don't know if it was this product or if it was something else that I used in here. They did send me the color light, so that worked. This has an SPF 30 in it. I love that I got a complexion product, and it's like a sunscreen as well. So this retails for $35 US. These are all in US prices too, so obviously it's a bit more in Canada. The next product that I have in here, let me find it, is from Lily Lashes, and this was a product that I chose. It was between this and a Tula product, but I wanted the mascara because my Tarte mascara is getting old and I only have like my CoverGirl, so I wanted an extra mascara. This retails for $24. It's a pretty good, and like it's decent. It's not like the best mascara ever, but it's not the worst. I like the fact that I used all this stuff today, so now I can put it all away. Testing products, different products, and some of them I can't put away yet because I wait until I test them when I buy new things. But this is what the wand looks like. It's just a pretty average wand, but has that regular mascara smell to it. But I'll be putting this away now. Alright, what's next? Oh, next is the big boy. So I got the Tarteist Pro palette. I think everybody got this in their Boxyluxe. This is what the colors look like, and I'll show it to you guys. Just put the mail on the bed, Mikey. I think it's scrunchy day here in the household by the looks of it. So I like to keep these little cards for inspiration, but this is what the palette looks like. It's just, I got fingerprints on it already because I used it. I waited so long to use the remix one that this time I was like, I'm using this right now. It has that tart chocolate vanilla smell to it, and this is all mattes, and these four are the shimmers. You guys probably all seen this by now. This is an older palette, but I used this on my eyes today, but I only used like very natural colors and just did a very natural look. And what does this fella retail for? It retails for $49. What is next? Oh, okay. The next is from Hallmark Collectibles, and it is satin pillowcase and eye mask set, and this was my other choice item that I chose. And this retails for $50. And I'm going to take this out of the bag because I'm going to be putting it on my pillow tonight and trying it out. I got the leopard print one, isn't it cute? So it comes with the eye mask and the satin pillowcase. I'm going to just put that on my bed for right now. And I said that retails for $50. The next product, there's not much I can talk about with that. It's a satin pillowcase. The next product that I got was a set of brushes from $1 Billion Brushes. Charcoal brush set, and I used this today as well, and this retails for $55. And they're all out of their casing, as I said, because I used them today. So we got a powder brush and a concealer brush and a contour brush and a flat eyeshadow brush, and what are they calling this one? A highlight brush, but I use this in my crease today, so not bad. They're soft. We'll see how they hold up when they wash. I'm going to put them over there for now. The next product that's in here is the product that I'm not sure of, and it's also the most expensive product, but I did put this on my face, and I felt my face was kind of oily, but I might have used too much, so I have to try it again. This is from Malin and Goetz, and it is a recovery treatment oil. And it retails for, wait till you hear this now, $82. What? $82? Really? Packaging is really pretty. I have combo to oily skin, and I'm scared that this is just going to be too oily for me. But like I said, I think I used too much, so I'm going to give this a try again because it says to use, but I could probably use a little bit less if I wanted to. I know I've seen it somewhere. Apply 5 to 7 drops. I just kind of squirted it in my hand, so I didn't really apply drops, so that's why I gotta wait and see. And then last but not least is this Bodyography Lip Duo set, and it comes in the shades, I think it's Rosewood and Pouty. Yeah, Pouty and Rosewood. I'm wearing Pouty on my lips, but I have something else over it. There's also a $5 off for Kylie Skin, too. I just wanted to give you guys that. It's just Boxy 5 if anybody wants to use it. Oh, this packaging is... Okay, I just ruined it. I just ripped it, but it's okay. Because, like I said, I already used the products. These are hard to get out. I don't know why I even stuffed them back in there. That was just plain old dumb of me. Okay, I'm totally wrecking the packaging now. I'm throwing all packaging over there. So, Rosewood and Pouty, and I'll swatch them for you guys. Rosewood is like a dark color, and Pouty's more of like a natural pinky nude color. So that's what they look like. So anyway, that is everything that I got in my Boxyluxe this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you enjoyed it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you can watch more content if you like to. And yeah, that's it. So I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, everyone.